Manager here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.